Here's my electric motor I'm going to be using for my electric ride lawnmower. It's a Etek motor rated at 48 volts. RPM is 3,500 RPMs. Weighs about 28 pounds. And just to give you a size of it, here's a Mountain Dew can. Just a little bit bigger than the Mountain Dew can. So it's a pretty good size motor. It's called a pancake motor. Give you a little idea of it. There's your bolt pattern right there. Key. You see these motors all the time used in electric motorcycles, bunch of things. Really, very versatile motor. Very small, very compact, but still very big. Hopefully this should do just fine for my EV conversion, my gas mower to a electric ride lawnmower.